When you're looking at two possible career paths, what you're really looking at is possibility. Each direction offers a different way to use your strengths, grow your skills, and shape the kind of professional life you want. The key is having a clear way to compare them so you can choose the direction that feels aligned with where you want to go next. Start with genuine interest, because interest is the foundation for long-term commitment. Real interest shows up in the choices you make when no one is watching. Think about the topics, ideas, and problems you return to simply because you enjoy them. A helpful way to check this is to picture a weekend with no obligations. Imagine exploring something related to each path for an hour. Reading, watching, tinkering, or building. Notice which one feels exciting and which one feels more like a task you complete only because it seems practical. The thing that energizes you is showing you where your interest lies. When you combine enthusiasm with a learning rhythm that feels natural, growth happens faster. Try identifying 3 to 5 core skills required in each path. Then think about two things: your current ability and the speed at which you tend to improve when you focus on similar skills. Some paths reward steady growth. Others thrive on fast iteration. You want a direction where your strengths support your progress and where your learning style fits the demands of the work. Once you have a sense of interest and skill, look at what the market values. Strong market demand usually reflects a field where your growth will meet real needs. Spend time reading job descriptions and paying attention to what organizations highlight. Notice the skills that appear consistently. Notice where companies offer training, where they ask for specific experience, and where they emphasize potential. Talking to people already doing the work can bring these patterns to life. Ask about the projects they see emerging, the skills that matter most, and the kinds of roles that are becoming more common. After exploring demand, consider how each path fits into the life you want to create. Work shapes your days, your routines, and your environment. Do you imagine work that is highly collaborative, or work that gives you long stretches of independent focus? Do you picture a flexible schedule, or one that's structured and predictable? Do you want a career that centers you in a specific city, or one that offers mobility? At this point, you should have a richer, more grounded picture of both paths. The next step is testing your assumptions in real contexts. Short, low-stakes experiences are helpful here. Shadow someone for a day, take on a small project, complete a short course. Having conversations with people in that field can reveal details that never show up in research alone. You may discover that the work feels more natural than you expected, or that a different part of the role captures your imagination. When you're ready to choose, look for the direction where interest, skill, opportunity, and lifestyle all point to what you want. Sometimes one path will be the clear winner. Other times, both will look promising in different ways. In those moments, choose the path that expands your options. Some roles build skills that translate into many fields. Others are more specialized. If both directions feel equally promising, the path that widens future movement often gives you more room to grow. Once you decide, give yourself the space to grow into it. A new path always comes with a period of adjustment. That period is part of the process. Set a timeline that lets you experience real progress. 12 to 18 months is often enough to understand how the work feels, how your skills are evolving, and whether the path aligns with the future you want. When you step back and look at a career choice through interest, skill, opportunity, and lifestyle, something important happens. The decision stops feeling abstract. You start seeing how each direction would actually feel in your day-to-day life and how it could shape your growth. One option begins to feel more aligned, more natural, and more supportive of where you're headed. And once you see that alignment, you can move forward more easily. It comes from stepping into the path you selected, learning inside it, and letting that experience open the next part of your journey.